about mass exodus?
Moon colony?
Yeah, colonizing some other planet.
Well, I had a similar question in terms of what amount of reforestation could we do to help, and could we force some people to leave their cities and move to other areas, and
you can
wipe it all
want.
down and put trees all over it and reshape the landscape? For any amount of planting of trees that would help in any way.
Every tree helps. Every tree helps, but
What's the scale to tree
but
the
picking up and moving billions of people
ratio
is probably a lot more politically contentious than passing carbon. Like I'm looking you got to think about because usually what happens is people
this is a real world scenario.
focus on population. We need to reduce population, so we'll just kill everyone over 70. People have.
I don't need to be killed. Just bunk beds.
Encourage.
So we need to find stuff that is politically viable, at least in the short term, and
palatable.
Yeah, and knocking down cities and homes and stuff to plant trees is probably a little too earthy, hippie, crunchy for people that don't care about this.
You walk cities.
Ooh, I'm on board.
Tree houses.
I'm
Tree
on
houses.
Come on, awesome.
Yeah, it is.
I hope so. It seems like we're entering kind of a new space age now, where people are starting to get excited about it again, and there's private companies now going out into space.
Sure.
The DS, what is it called? The Deep Space Mining Company just launched last week.
What are they mining?
They're going to
Just
mine
put a monkey out there.
asteroids.
For what?
They're going to no, not for ice. There's platinum on asteroids. There's asteroids made of
Crazy
diamond.
metals.
Anything that is
Need
short
more
in short
diamonds.
supply on Earth is plentiful out of the
Need more
universe.
shiny, glittery objects.
There are giant asteroids
That's
of
the
gold
romantic.
flying by every year, and if we just grab one, you have an asteroid full
rad.
of gold, and you're the richest man on Earth.
That sounds adventurous.
Anyway,
Remind me again how we know that there's asteroids made out of diamonds.
how we know?
Yeah, how we know
Oh,
that?
I've read
Science
about
says so,
that.
I believe
Yeah.
Really? I don't know,
It's the same way you tell if there's water on other planets. I think, don't
really
quote me on
shiny.
this, but I think the way that light reflects and refracts off things, you can sort of tell its chemical composition.
Okay.
Especially, I know that for now, there's at least here terrestrially, there's a little tricorder thing that you can shoot a laser into a substance, and the way that laser breaks off and bounces off the different arrangement of particles and then is recaptured will tell you. It's just boop 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 glass, boop 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 paper, boop 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 wood, because there are physical properties that if you know how to read them. What is it? Silk. Oh.
Not the
That's the
table.
table cover.
Sturdy silk. I'd be the first to volunteer for Moon Colony. I would love to live on the moon. But the moon doesn't really have its own oxygen, so we'd have to get it from somewhere. We'll bring a few
Bring your own.
Bring plants with us.
BYO.
Oxygen?
BYO.
Bringing-
Oh, yes.